Alright, what up guys? So today is April 24th. I'm just going to be doing the intro to the video today. I haven't been able to get a good intro, so yeah. This video is just mostly going to be about like my setup and how far we've come since December. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, and I've been just gathering footage each month, just random shit. So that should be fun. So right now we're just about to go. It's too loud. We're gonna go link up Kev. I gotta put air in my tire. One of the Mickeys is like fucking bald, but not bald, flat. And yeah, we're just gonna enjoy today, and I'm gonna try to get some footage and catch you guys up with what we've been doing with the build and all the progress we've done. All right, what up guys? For you guys that don't know, my name's Alan. Welcome to the channel. I drive a 335 IS 2012 titanium silver on red. It's a 1 of 49, and it does come with the DCT option, which I'll show. Yeah, so the main reason for this primary clip that you guys are seeing right now is this video is going to be all over the place because I have footage from last month. We're currently in April, but I have a lot of footage from December-ish up to now. I wanted to gather as much footage as I could, and when I say footage, it's more so all the footage that we recorded from the progress of my build, going from full bolt-on on an off-the-shelf MHD tune to single turbo, port injection, and everything else in that. So we'll go over the setup. We'll cover the biggest thing first. I'm on a ViE N55 top mount. Yes, you heard that right. It's an N55 top mount. It is custom to fit my car and my setup. So I have a dual open dump. So that means I have two wastegates. They're both tiled 38mm, I believe. And I am on a borgwarner 6168 with a 91 AR, and it's a journal bearing turbo. It's their borgwarner S360. That's the proper brand name for it. We're also port injected, controlled by Motiv. I have 750cc injectors. I have not flashed the Motiv yet, only because I'm still trying to dial in my fueling setup. I'm on a dual Walboro 450 and for my low pressure, and I'm on a OEM high pressure fuel pump. But like I said, I'm just trying to dial in the fueling a little bit more because I'm running a bit lean. But yeah, so we're on ST coilovers with Enki NT03s in the front, 18 by 9.5, with the 245 35 18 Hankook V12. They're pretty light tires. I do like them. My buddy Tristan recommended them, so I went with them, and they're pretty fire. And then on rear we have Apex Arc 8 17 by 10 with a Mickey Thompson ET Street 275 40 17. The offset on the rear is 25, and my offset in the front is 20. It's pretty aggressive, or what I would consider aggressive, but I'm trying to do a 15 by 10 conversion soon. And yeah, that's the suspension setup, and I have M3 control arms, but that's about it. Alright, so just keep in mind, like I was saying earlier in the video, a lot of the footage is just the progress on the build. We did a lot in the course from December to now. The interior was done, the exterior was done, and the engine bay, obviously, as far as my motor setup. But so yeah, so we have an OHC LED steering wheel with leather and carbon fiber. A blue start button with Alcantara and half carbon trim. Yeah, you heard that right. So it's Alcantara, and then it splits into carbon fiber and goes back into Alcantara. It's on the doors as well. My center console has half Alcantara carbon as well, and it's on the rear doors as well, or whatever you'd call those. I'm on a Sparko seat, and yeah, a lot of people may ask why I'm running a GFB and I have Motiv, but it's just more convenient to run a GFB because I can adjust my boost on the fly, and it just makes way more sense to me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm on a Sparko. I'll show the seat with better clips later on. But yeah, there's just too much footage, so I wanted to clarify. I wanted to make a good intro and clarify everything so that the video is not all over the place and people are confused. But there's just a lot of things and stuff that went into this car that we recorded that is just all over the place. So yeah. All right, what's up guys? So I'm back again with another video. Today is February 17th. I'm supposed to pick up my car today and drive it for the first time in 2 months, so that should be really exciting. And I know you guys are probably wondering whose car this is. I'm in my mom's car. I've just been running around today as soon as I got off work. So yeah, we plan to pick up the car hopefully later on today. I'm like itching to grab my car, man, and go for a little cruise. It's pretty nice out today. It's 66 degrees in fucking February, which is pretty crazy. It's mind-blowing. But yeah, I'll recap the car more once it's in my hands and I can just look at everything and just remember, because it is a long list of stuff that we did. But yeah, see you guys later. Yo, so we're currently driving this baby home. The alignment is pretty dicked. It's pretty dark in here, you guys can't hear shit, but try to get some POV for y'all tomorrow morning. It's raining now, so I don't want to drive the car too much right now, but tomorrow I'll get some POV. And I just wanted to give an update of the fact that I did get my car same day. So we're about to head to a doctor's appointment, and then we should be going to Next Gen to get this alignment and put this new steering wheel and trim in, and the car should be looking new again. And yeah, so just swapped out this cup holder, as you can see.
I was like, I'm playing mechanic today.
We're doing the steering wheel now.
Right, it used to be so easy for me to take these out. The fucking junkyard I used to work at.
Alright, so we doing the alignment. We figured out the left rear spindle was bent.
That's the front actually, bro.
No, I was just talking about the rear when you guys aligned it. Yeah, I know that's the front. We got the fucking interior in, man. We gotta switch this to fucking Alcantara. This shit is garbage. It's poop. But we got all of this in here. We got this elk right here, yeah, right here. Everywhere. We got the carbon right there, half carbon, half Alcantara over there. Back seats is out, it's a mess back there, but we're gonna get the car detailed this week. I mean on Monday. This is in, but it's not even really on here. It's fucking just dangling. We gotta put that in better, and we gotta figure that out. Something's wrong with my OBD too. But yeah, steering wheel works. Oh yeah.
Is that like a fresh one? Yeah, it's fresh. Let's get like a, so we can keep them separate so we know what's going on.
Wait, so is this thing single turbo?
Yep. look crazy, bro. Kev just got his IS a few days ago, doing the routine maintenance. Dealership lied and said the valve cover was done. They had some cheap, whatever coils these are, I don't even know. Shits are leaking like shit though. Get an oily thing.
Oh, do the filters. If you're staying twin, do the filters that come over here.
We going single, my boy.
Single?
Big single gang, that's it. Right?
Yes,
You go with twins, I'm gonna have to remind you that you did the wrong decision every time you race me.
You just got to do a light pull.
Ain't no light pool. Coming out on kill against every N55 race. It's like, nah, I'm fucking around.
Outside, though.
Shit got English.
That's right here for grabs. Give me.
All wrapped up, baby.
Now. And it's a hot lighter.
Oh, my bad.
Freak mob, bitch. Look at that. Gone already. Not even. It's finger tight. Oh no. Tighten it with the gun, you dick.
Yeah, he leaves everything loose on cars.
Yeah. That's why his car still haven't fallen apart.
Right?
I gotta put those screws over there. Fuck you.
So we're in here tuning Kayvon's car. Putting that stage 2 plus on here. MHD boy.
It's wet.
Already know the vibe. Makes sense. Yeah.
It takes a second to shut off.
Shit handling so smooth. Yeah. Yeah. People were looking at me like, what the fuck is up with this dude? I'll do this shit on my phone. I mean, on my tablet. It reads for like 2 seconds, then it just doesn't read. Sounds good. Come on, Kev, you know what timing I'm on. I had 16%. I probably won't even post this on YouTube, but I don't even want people knowing I'm doing port. Homie DJ is fucking swapping a high pressure. Just a little shit. Oh, high pressure. Hey, my mans, you need any work? This DJ shit right here. Sheesh. Alright, this DJ's 335 IS M18 manifold, or cover rather, sorry. We got the fucking, I think this is BMP front face. Cash can set up. There's the upgraded coolant tank. Yeah, hell yeah. I didn't even realize this shit's like a, it's like almost like a grayish tint. It's not even like a silver turbo. I think that's some serious jam right there. With the white, with the white. All the little details. The carbon fiber cowls and shit. No, this thing bad. Yo, what color is that?
Huh?
What color is that?
It's like mineral white metallic or some shit.
Yo, that shit, the pearl in that shit is mad different.
Crazy,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
It's not.
Cause the mineral, that's the more rare one, right?
Yeah.
The alpine is the more common. Yeah, bro. The fucking. Oh my god, you can see this shit. Little stock twins. It's crazy how small they are, right?
Right.
Oh yeah. This thing is crazy. Yeah, auto. You got the gauges down there. All this carbon. Yo, he has the rear seat delete. Damn. Sheesh. No lighting, but damn. Man, that's crazy. Woo! Yeah, I'm liking that.
Boy, that tune look fire.
I'm liking that.
Dude, I wish I would've went with this kind.
Yeah. That's pretty much my 2 cents for this intro. I just wanted to clarify everything. Like I said, we did the interior, the engine bay, and suspension on this car. It drives and runs amazing. We're just trying to dial in the setup a bit more, and then we can send it off to the dyno and see what she makes. Hopefully, I'm hoping that it can make 700 on stock motor, stock trans. I still have to XHP flash the car, but we're taking it step by step. There's a bit more maintenance things we want to do before we can check that off the list. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning into the video, and this is pretty much the intro. And yeah, just enjoy, subscribe, comment, and like.